If your sink drain is slow, it might be because the vent pipe is blocked, and fixing that can seriously improve how fast your water drains. So, here's the deal with vent pipes. They let air into your plumbing system, which helps water flow smoothly down the drain. When the vent pipe gets clogged with debris, leaves, or even bird nests, it stops air from coming in, and that makes your sink drain slow or gurgle weirdly. To fix it, first check the vent pipe on your roof to see if anything is blocking it, like leaves or a bunch of dirt. You can use a garden hose to flush water down the vent pipe and try to clear out any blockage. Just be super careful when you're on the roof, or better yet, get someone to help you for safety. If you don't feel comfy climbing up there, call a plumber who knows how to clear vent pipes safely. Also, keep your drains clean by running hot water and a bit of vinegar down regularly to help prevent buildup. Doing these things can save you from big plumbing headaches and keep your sink draining like it should. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with slow sink drains is ignoring the vent pipe. They think the problem is just the drain itself, but clogged vents mess everything up. The fix is to always check and clear the vent pipe first before trying anything else. Another common issue is not being safe when inspecting roof vents. Lots of people try climbing without proper gear or help, which can lead to accidents. Using a ladder safely or hiring a pro is the way to go. The third problem is using harsh chemicals to fix slow drains. They might clear clogs in the drain, but won't fix a blocked vent and can even damage your pipes. Instead, focus on mechanical clearing methods like flushing the vent with water or using a plumber's snake. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff. Contractors get a steady flow of work there, which makes it easier for everyone to handle home fixes without stress.